What's up YouTube, Primo Reviews here, and I'm going to do another review on a nice little cheap gadget that I got from Amazon. This is a 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set, and it's made by Top 10 Tech, and they've got a couple other nice products out on Amazon that I've seen before. I've actually purchased one or two others made by them, and there's some pretty good quality products. So this particular item, it's a 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set. It also comes with a small demagnetizing and magnetizing tool for your bits of your screwdriver, so you can magnetize and demagnetize as you please. It also comes with a small pick or a pry tool that you would use like on a tablet or a phone maybe, and then it also comes with the last item, which is why I bought it, and that's the anti-static wristband. So we're going to open it up here, give you guys the first look, and see what we got. So here it is in the little black leather pouch, little trifold pouch there, and you can store your screwdriver handle in the pouch as well. And then there's the little pry tool that I was speaking of. But the main reason for me buying this was for the anti-static wristband. I'm going to be doing some modifications to my laptop, and I needed that very badly. And there you can see a nice spread out picture of everything. I definitely don't want to be tearing into my laptop and doing modifications and end up ruining a circuit board or a motherboard or any other type of electronics on it. So this was only $8.99. Of course, I'll put the link in the description below. You guys can check it out on Amazon. And that just slides right on your wrist right there. It's got a flip buckle to tighten or loosen, a little alligator clip so you can clip it onto just about anything. And then obviously that band which attaches to the wristband, it also comes off as well. It's detachable just like that. So I guess I'm going to make it a little bit more convenient for storage or what have you. So onto the screwdriver handle and the bits themselves. These are some pretty good, well-made tools and bits. They have some sort of coating, chrome coating. You can see there them all laid out, and the different types of bits you get. They got some sort of chrome coating on them to help the lifespan of the tool, and the bits laying in the holder, as you can see there. It's really simple. You just flip it up vertically and then just pull it straight out, and then to reinsert it, it would be the same way. There's a little close-up picture here that I'll put up so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about there. Just pull up, push out, and obviously just slide it in your handle, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and it stays in there well. It stays in there very tight and secure. You're not going to pull it out or anything. And of course you got your demagnetizer and magnetizing tool over there that you can use as you need. And the end of the screwdriver handle, the gold piece there, it'll pivot in the palm of your hand, which for me makes it extremely nice, not having to keep on re-gripping the screwdriver or reposition my hand as I'm trying to tighten or loosen something. So for under 10 bucks, guys, you can't beat it. Check out the link in the description below, and if you're in need of a precision screwdriver set, go get you one. So if this was helpful, guys, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to see what products we'll have next. Thanks.